Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best tire stop leak is probably one of the most convenient and cost-effective ways to temporarily fix a flat tire, saving you from the hassle and expense of roadside assistance or immediate tire replacement. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about choosing and using tire stop leak products effectively, ensuring you're prepared for unexpected tire punctures. Number 5. Fix-A-Flat S60369. Dealing with a flat tire? It's a stressful situation, but help is here. This product provides a quick and easy solution to get you back on the road. Simply connect it, inflate, and go. It's the fastest way to temporarily fix a flat tire in any emergency situation. It's designed to seal small punctures quickly and provide enough air to lift your tire off the ground. It even seals punctures 33% larger than before. For 50 years, it has been a reliable solution for flat tires. Be prepared for unexpected flats with this easy-to-use product. It's safe for you, your tires, and the environment. The new design is also more eco-friendly and easier to use. No need for a jack, tools, or a spare tire. Keep it in your trunk and get your tire professionally repaired within 3 days or after 100 miles. This 24-ounce can is ideal for X-large tires and trucks. It's the perfect roadside emergency solution. What we like. It's the fastest and easiest way to temporarily fix a flat. If you need a quick solution for roadside emergencies and prioritize ease of use, this is for you. Its eco-friendly formula is also a plus for environmentally conscious drivers. What people say. It worked great. It worked perfectly. The ball is reinflated and is still firm after weeks. It fixed my tire and inflated it back to match the other 3 tires. Number 4. Slime 10206 Tire Sealant. It's the ultimate solution for preventing and repairing flat tires on your off-highway vehicles. This sealant is easy to use and provides long-lasting protection. It uses advanced FibroSeal technology to instantly seal punctures up to 1/4 inch. This ensures a quick and effective repair. When a puncture happens, it's immediately carried to the source. The escaping air forces the sealant particles to create a strong, flexible plug. It provides reliable protection for up to 2 years. Keep your tires inflated and your ride smooth. It's perfect for golf carts, lawn mowers, trailers, and more. It works on all your off-highway tubeless tires. It's non-toxic, non-corrosive, and environmentally friendly. It's safe for your tires, rims, and the environment. What we like. This sealant prevents and repairs punctures for up to 2 years. If you're looking for long-term protection and peace of mind, this is the best option. Its non-toxic and eco-friendly formula is also a great benefit. What people say. It was for my Husqvarna riding mower, the exact amount called for in the front tire. I did have someone else put this in the tire for me since I'm not good at that. He did it with ease and my tire is fixed. I drove the mower around for 1-2 hours or so after he put it in the tire. Next time I used the mower, the tire was fine. The sealant is incredibly easy to use, simply inject it into the tire, and it instantly seals any punctures. No more worrying about getting stuck with a flat tire on the side of the road. The sealant is also incredibly effective. I've had multiple punctures in the same tire, and the slime has consistently sealed them without any issues. The tire pressure remains stable, and the sealant doesn't affect the tire's performance in any way. Had a slit in the crease of my riding mower tire that would make it flat every other week. This sealed it right up. Going on 4 months now. Number 3. FlatOut Off-Road Tire Sealant. It stops leaks before they even start. Save time and money with this revolutionary sealant, keeping you safe on the road. Landscapers, construction workers, and more rely on it. Get continuous protection and peace of mind with this trusted sealant. From ATVs to lawnmowers, it works across a wide range of vehicles. Enjoy reliable protection wherever your adventures take you. Simply shake, inject, and inflate. Get back on the road quickly and easily with its user-friendly design. It's super strong, water washable, and mess-free. Experience long-lasting protection without the hassle. What we like. It proactively prevents punctures and offers incredibly long-lasting protection. If you need superior protection, especially in demanding off-road conditions, this is the one for you. The Kevlar reinforcement ensures superior strength and durability. What people say. Application was a front treadless zero-turn mower. The tire was not punctured, but likely a rim seal leak. Tire is tubeless. I installed one tube bag per instructions, no trouble with the fill tube. Then I replaced the Schrader valve and aired up the tire. The tire was sealed within 1/4 of a yard mode. Still holding after 1 mo. Easy to install, sealed the puncture I had and protects from more. I'm now on my 4th bottle of this stuff and increased the star rating. I've got it in all 4 lawnmower tires, both tires on the lawnmower trailer, and in the wheelbarrow tire. I've never had a single leak since. We've got a lot of thorns in our yard that are hard to see and I've had my fill of patching them. After seeing how well this worked on the lawnmower, I keep putting it in any yard tire that gets a flat and they all hold air permanently from then. Okay. The product 100% works as advertised. Number 2. TireJect Car Tire Sealant Kit. Tired of flat tires? TireJect is here to help. It's a simple, effective solution for sealing those annoying leaks and punctures, keeping you on the road. It tackles leaks in both the tire bead and the tread. It easily repairs punctures up to 1/4 inch, getting you back on the road quickly and safely. It's 100% safe for your tires, rims, and TPMS sensors. You can use it with confidence, knowing it won't damage your vehicle's components. Application is a breeze. The kit includes a dispensing cap and hose for easy and mess-free installation. It creates a permanent seal using durable liquid rubber. Enjoy a long-lasting repair that you can trust. It's designed for tires up to size P2 15/50/17. Check if it fits your vehicle before purchasing. What we like. It provides a permanent seal for both tread punctures and bead leaks. If you want a permanent solution that's also easy to install, this is a great choice. The included dispensing cap and hose make application simple and straightforward. What people say. Had a consistently leaky tire. Had 2 different tire shops work on it and it still leaked. Gave this a shot and no more leak. Very easy to use as well. My TPM alarm in my SUV triggered several times and I had the tire check at the tire shop but nothing comes out when they check. The tire is 9 months old and developed a crack and a small hole along in the lettering of the tire's brand name on the sidewall. Excellent seal along the crack lines and small hole. No TPM alert since I applied the product. 1 week later and no leak, tire is holding pressure consistent with the other 3 tires. Number 1. Berryman 1301 Tire Sealer. This powerful sealant instantly repairs punctures in pneumatic tires and tubes, protecting your wheels from flats caused by nails, screws, or thorns. It's suitable for all types of wheels, including steel, chrome, and alloy, ensuring broad compatibility and ease of use. Unlike other sealants, it remains liquid permanently, preventing rust or corrosion and ensuring long-lasting protection. It's safe for use on all tire types and is VOC compliant in all 50 states, meeting stringent environmental regulations. With Berryman 1301 Tire Sealer, you can confidently tackle any road, knowing that it will protect your tires from punctures and keep you rolling. Experience worry-free driving with this superior tire sealant. It's the ultimate solution for preventing flats and keeping your tires in top condition. What we like. It instantly seals tires and tubes. If you need a universal solution that's safe for all wheel types, this is it. Its compatibility with various wheel materials makes it a versatile option for any vehicle. What people say. Day 1, I followed the directions, see tips below, and after inflating the first tire I still heard the leak for about 10 to 15 seconds, then it went silent. Cool, though, but we'll see if they hold. Day 2, 3, still holding. Day 4, back to the field to mow and haul rocks with my wagon. A couple passes and I spot a nasty goat head embedded deep in my back tire. Nervously I pulled it out, hiss for about 4 seconds, then silence. Cool. Day 5, the next day I went over the tractor tires and pulled out all the goat head thorns. It would have been half a dozen leaks, but the tire sealer sealed them. Day 7, I'm walking by my wagon, Gore 2 flats. The goat heads got my brand new wagon tires. I broke out the Berrymans and pumped some in. Again it worked perfectly. Hey, my dolly always gets flats, so I pumped some Berrymans in those tires as well. Day 14, all 10 tires are still fully inflated. Blah blah blah. Used 14 ounces on the old but unused P225/70 R16 tire mounted on a SUV and it has not leaked. Stopped leaks on first 2 old tires on old rims it was used on. One tire was leaking between the tread and casing molding and the other was a bead leak. This alone paid for the product in just the cost of used tires to replace. Not to mention the labor. Less than 15% of the gallon has been used. Used in on-road and off-road trailers so far, but given the great performance, it will also be used on the rest of our on- and off-road tires. Much better than slime. Very easy to use with pump on the bottle and hose included. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.